Everyone loves the convenience of modern technology when everything is going smoothly. But in business, when technology fails, it is more than a headache. Your productivity tanks, your workflow stops, and you lose revenue. Not anymore. Introducing IT Nation, a new era of managed IT. We offer 24/7 monitoring and IT support for all of your technology needs. We take a proactive approach to avoid downtime and make sure you're prepared if it ever does happen. IT Nation handles all of your IT needs, including virus and ransomware protection, IT support, network security, data backups, disaster recovery, cloud solutions, and more. With our unique approach to IT services, every client of ours, no matter if you are just starting out or are long established, gets a total review of your IT processes to identify how we can make your business shine. We offer free consultations because we care about your business, budget, and productivity. Our flat fee IT service provides unlimited support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Don't pay a lot of money for a temporary solution. Work with a friendly and high-quality team to streamline your IT today. We are IT Nation. Contact us now to protect your tech.